Hi everyone, I'm at Thrangu Monastery in Vancouver, BC, and I never met Khenchen Thrangu Rinpoche personally, and I never received teachings or empowerments from him. Still, I have known about his work for a long time. I have heard that he is a highly respected master from Kamakaju lineage. When I was a kid, I saw many Himalayan children go to Thrangu Mangaldev boarding school, most of them from poor background. At the time, I didn't think much about it. It just felt normal. But now, looking back, I realize how special that was. Many of those kids are now well educated and living in places like the USA, Canada, Europe, Australia, and Nepal, and they're doing really well in their lives and helping others. For me, this was first time I have ever saw a monastery leader running a school for poor Himalayan children. It wasn't just about religion, it was about giving people real opportunities. Being here today makes me appreciate that even more. Going to school and being able to study is a very big opportunity for Himalayan children. For many families, school fee costs more than what they can earn in a year. Most families have no saving at all. Parents often have little or no education themselves. Their daily life depends on a small piece of land where they grow crops like wheat, barley, corn, potatoes, and beans. Some families also keep a few animals, but only in small numbers. This way of life is mainly for survival, not for making extra income. Most families have no business knowledge and no other source of income. Because of this, education becomes the only way for children to change their future and to have more opportunities in life. The support and opportunities Khenchen Thrangu Rinpoche gave to Himalayan children will always be remembered. Thank you.